Ultra HGH growth hormone, the potent anti-aging therapeutic agent. My warm greetings to everyone watching this video, in which I will talk about a truly underrated and sometimes not well understood hormone and the potent anti-aging therapeutic agent. I have decided to give this video the following title: HGH 101, and I'm happy to introduce the product featured in this video called Ultra HGH from MF Plus. Right in the beginning of this video, I would like to highlight few relevant points which define the uniqueness of the HGH and also serve as a starting point of our conversation today. First of all, growth hormone, the human growth hormone, is a unique peptide hormone which is 100% specific to the species, and in this case to humans. And it means that it cannot be replaced by a hormone extracted from another species. Unlike many other hormones, practically all of them, human growth hormone does not have exactly the same molecule by its structure in other animal species, so it can't be replaced by its xenogeneic analog. For instance, insulin, thyroid hormone, estrogens, and even testosterone can be theoretically replaced by a xenogeneic analog, but not the growth hormone. It is 100% unique to the human species, and only a human growth hormone can be used in humans. The other point, and I would like to make it a bottom line of the current conversation, is that human growth hormone is arguably one of the safest hormonal therapeutic modalities when it is used correctly, of course. Another important point of this conversation: the indication for the growth hormone replacement therapy is growth hormone deficiency. Regarding the latter, it is quite clear in pediatric practice when children with insufficient or deficient growth hormone have stunted stature, delayed growth and physical development, and are treated with exogenous growth hormone to replace their deficient or insufficient endogenous growth hormone. But what about the growth hormone deficiency in other ages and stages of human life?